Ba 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 ba. Whoa. Hello. Hello. Hola. ¿Qué pasa? Okay. Okay. I don't know what it I don't need to reverse it or go forward. Does it record? Okay. Okay. How to amplify your voice. How to amplify your voice. Turn on the speaker with power switch to top control panel. Plug the microphone, included into the mic slot, which is done here. Then your voice will be amplified. My voice is indeed amplified. How to play music. TF card USB driver. I don't have that, and that is not why I got this nifty item. So that is something I'll have to figure out later. Oh. Insert the card or USB driver into the corresponding. So that's the card. Turn it down. So that's the card. Up. That's the card, and that's the card driver, and then you see the USB driver. You put that in, and then I can amplify music. Connect the speaker to external audio device, like a computer, etc. So I can use it as a speaker for, this cord is so I can use it as a speaker. My head is too big, so there we go. Because when it's rubbing against my face. Okay, so this cord is for using it with a computer, an iPad, an iPhone, or etc. And then this will also connect to Bluetooth. I don't know why that is necessary. Click M to switch to Bluetooth mode, the MP3 mode. Oh, I guess to pick up music from wherever. This is going to take me a while to learn how to use. And then how to charge speaker. Turn the speaker off and charge it timely when it is in low battery, with voice prompts, low battery, please charge. So at some point it's going to be like a low battery, please charge. And I will plug it in with this, and I guess my own end piece, because no one gives you the full plug anymore. And this red indicator light will be off when it is fully charged. So it is a speaker with a headset microphone. Oh, this thing I put around my neck is a waistband. So I guess, I'll be projecting my voice from my hip. Charging cable and audio cable, and a handy dandy user manual. The point of this is to spare my voice when teaching. So I'll be using it in 2 days to teach my online class, because I teach a 2-hour class, then I teach a 3-hour class, and my voice is fried by the end of the first class. So I'm hoping that by using this, I don't have to raise my voice at all. I can keep it at a decent level and perhaps talk longer. There are two teachers, so when my voice fries, she takes over. But her voice never fries. Mine does. So this is called the WinBridge Original Voice Amplifier Speaker. And then when we are no longer in these here COVID times, you better believe that I'll be taking this with me to teach in person. Because if you think my voice fries teaching via Zoom, my voice really fries teaching in-person classes. So that's why I have this. It's kind of cool. Took me a minute. You saw me open it, and you saw me set it up. I'll have to do some research. Regarding the feedback issue it has. You know what? I have it pressed to my middle right now, and I feel like it's working better. When I play back this video, I will know. I think having it on the table wasn't the best. I think it's grounded and doing a better job at my waist. Also, the feedback was happening when I got near the microphone. So yes, I will be using this for my Zoom classes, and I will most certainly be using this when my in-person classes open back up. That's the WinBridge voice amplifier. Yes, do not put the speaker near the mic. That makes bad noises. Till next time.